Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House channel. Today, I'm going to make Hello Kitty house with rainbow slide pool from cardboard.
Hi. Hello. I'm Melody. And Hello Kitty. We need a new house.
Okay. I saw my mother had some old cardboard boxes, so I cut them into 3 small cards. Put them together, like that. Put a few more panels to make the floor. Paste colored paper to create a full pink room. It's perfect. Now, I will make the headboard Hello Kitty. First, you need to sketch Hello Kitty. Next, you need to cut along the drawn line. Slowly and carefully. I will grind the cover to make the shape more clear. Put clay on that so you can easily shape the headboard. You just need to gently press along the edge of the cardboard. The way I make bows for Hello Kitty is also very simple. You can also refer to follow. The eyes, the nose, and don't forget the beards. So cute! Now I will make a complete Hello Kitty bed. Do you know Hello Kitty born in the suburbs of London, England on November 1st? Her height is 5 apples and her weight is 3 apples. She is good at baking cookies and loves her mama's homemade apple pie. She likes to play the piano and collect cute things, and her favorite subjects in school are English, music, and art. Hello Kitty is a bright and kind-hearted girl, very close to her twin sister, Mimi. Mimi is shy and very girly, interested in sewing and dreaming of marriage. While Hello Kitty wears a red bow on her left ear, Mimi wears a yellow one on her right. Their Papa George is dependable, humorous, but also absent-minded. Their Mama Mary is a good cook who loves doing housework. Grandpa Anthony likes to tell stories and Grandma Margaret likes sewing. In addition to family, Hello Kitty is also depicted with several animal friends, including the mice Joey and Judy, the bears Tippy and Thomas, the raccoon Tracy, and the squirrel Rory. There's an interesting little story that happened on Hello Kitty's birthday. Hello Kitty was very excited because the next day was her birthday. As Mama tucked her into bed, Hello Kitty thought about her birthday and how much fun it would be to celebrate with all of her friends. The next morning, Hello Kitty woke up bright and early in the kitchen. Mama was making a cake for her party. It was going to be vanilla with the banana cream in the middle and chocolate frosting on top. Hello Kitty asked Mama if she needed any help. Mama said she could help stir the butter and cocoa for the frosting. Don't forget to add the sugar. Minnie joined Mama and Hello Kitty in the kitchen to make cookies for the party. After the cookies came out of the oven and gold, Hello Kitty and Mimi decorated them with sprinkles and frosting. Hello Kitty looked at the list of things she needed to do before the guest arrived. She'd better get started. The party was supposed to begin in 2 hours. Make the goodie bags. Set the table with the happy birthday plates and napkins. Arrange the chairs for musical chairs. Make Grape Punch blow up balloons. Find camera. Hello Kitty still needed to find her camera so she could take a picture of the party for Grandma and Grandpa White who were on vacation in Florida. She added Find Camera to her list of things to do. Hello Kitty wanted to have beautiful flowers at her party, so she went out to the garden to pick some. Everything was in bloom. Hello Kitty picked a bouquet of sunflowers and daisies for the table. Hello Kitty was happy that Grandma and Grandpa were enjoying their vacation in Florida, but she really wished they could be at her party. She wondered what they were doing on their trip, probably relaxing at the beach. Nimi also missed Grandma and Grandpa and suggested that Hello Kitty make 2 extra goodie bags just in case. She put bubbles, stickers, candy, and star-shaped sunglasses in each one. The goodie bags were ready by the door. The table was all set. The chairs in the living room were gathered in the center for game time. Mama and Minnie blew up lots of blue, red, yellow, green, and purple balloons. It was time for the party. Hello Kitty and Mimi waited by the door for everyone to arrive. The doorbell rang. Who was the first guest? It was Fifi carrying a big present for Hello Kitty. The box was almost bigger than Fifi. Joey was next to arrive, followed by Tracy and Thomas who had presents for Hello Kitty. Dear Daniel, Tippy and Jody arrived shortly after. Everyone was there and excited about the party. Next, it was time for cake and ice cream. Everyone sang happy birthday to Hello Kitty and then it was time to make a wish. What should she wish for? Hello Kitty thought about Grandma and Grandpa and then closed her eyes and blew out all the candles. As everyone enjoyed cake and ice cream cones, Hello Kitty opened her presents. She got a teddy bear, a shiny red wagon, and a new soccer ball. What wonderful gift! She was very grateful to all of her nice friends. Time for a picture. Mama gathered everyone together and told them say cheese. Hello Kitty would show it to Grandma and Grandpa when they got back from their trip. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. Who could it be? Everyone was already there. Hello Kitty opened the door and saw Grandma and Grandpa. They had come home early to surprise her. This was the best present of all. Hello Kitty has a wonderful family, doesn't she? I hope you too. Oh, if you like and subscribe, a double rainbow will appear outside your window. At this moment, I suddenly remember when I was 5 years old. I wish my room would be filled with Hello Kitty items. Like colorful books like this. On the shelf, I'll make a blue handbag. Bling bling! A dressing table will make the room more perfect.
Mine's so beautiful. And you too.
For school, Hello Kitty requires a school bag. Our Hello Kitty house is complete.
This house is so cute. I love it.
Let's take a look in it together. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Lisa love you. See ya!